Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me go ahead and test my audio. Make sure everything sounds good. Thinking good there. I'm going to do the verse of the day. Verse of the day is Psalms 92:4. For you make me glad by your deeds, O Lord. I sing for joy at the works of your hands. That's the verse of the day. All right, we'll go ahead and get into charts. I'm going to share this. Bang. So I already did take one little trade before we got on stream. It's because the stream started at 6. This trade happened at 10 minutes before. A little short here for a point, breaking this low, and we bounced. But yeah, that was the trade. That was the setup. So, but now we're just waiting for a setup. Just waiting for a setup. Looking to take two good setups, and then we'll be done for the day. Go on with the rest of our day. It's a beautiful Thursday. It's supposed to rain all day today from where I'm from. Yeah, looks like it's going to be ugly. Just waiting for price to get to one of our support areas. This is the 6 o'clock candle, so top of the hour. We usually tend to get a little bit more volume, but we will see what happens here. Get a little bit of a push up. Draw our levels back in. here. Got one at 3,600 and one at 3593.4. Test. Volume sounds good. Looks like we're coming up to that 3,600 level. Let's see what happens when we get there. Let's check overall what gold has been doing. Let's see. So we had a pretty big sell-off starting at 2 yesterday all the way through the close and power hour. Then we opened and we sold off, kind of getting a pullback here. I think we'll continue to sell off, honestly, because we have just been climbing for the past couple of days, or a few days actually. So I think we might get some pullback today. Never know though, anything can always happen. So we shall see. Let's start a poll or question of the day. Let's see, what question can we ask? Let's see. What's most important? So what's the play today? Short below your line. Yep. Short below this line here. And possible long above this line here. Looks like we're breaking to that upside. We might get a long here depending on how this candle closes. Coming back up to these 3,600s. We're Still got 3 minutes left on this candle, so we're just gonna watch and wait and see how this reacts to this area first. I did catch a short here, already breaking this kind of swing low, I guess you could say. This low that was put in here, we did catch this to this next support area. You see it came right down. We got about one point of profit, and then we closed, came right down to this support area. Again, it was just a momentum play. We saw that price broke this low that was put in here, and we were able to catch just enough momentum to this next support here. Looks like we are getting a pretty strong push up here. Still got 1:40 left in this candle. That is the question for the day. Got a very strong push up here. We'll definitely be taking this. This buy here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. See if we just can't get one. Just want one tick. You could just turn around and reverse here. If it does, that's fine. That's why we always put it above the high. All right, we can go ahead and close this because we clearly didn't get that momentum here, and price is just rejecting this area. We didn't get enough momentum in the direction. So yeah, we're just going to get rid of that order because price is clearly respecting this resistance area. He said it should be in all of the above on your poll. Yeah, I mean, I guess that would be technically would be the correct answer. So we did get a quick little rejection of this area. I took our order off because we didn't get any follow through. It just came up right to our resistance area that it broke, and then it sold off. So they're clearly, for now, on the short term, it's showing me that there's not enough buyers to continue this move past this resistance zone where there's been in the past a bunch of sellers holding this area, this 3604 area. So price comes up here and breaks this, I'm going to break and close above, then I'll try to enter. But for now, we're going to just sit on our hands because you want to see some strong buying pressure through here. Hey, Salt on the Swing, what are you looking at today? Looking to trade. He said, in my world, 3607 is 50% of the swing down. Let's see. 3607. So here. And he said that is 50% of the swing down. Okay. Are you looking at the swing from here down to here, or from all the way to the top and down? I imagine probably all the way from the top. and down. You said 3607 is 50%. 50% of the swing. You said I only trade ES. Oh, okay, gotcha. $36.41. Oh, from here. Okay, gotcha. So the 50% retracement from 36.41 all the way down here. 50% is 3607, you said. 3607. Gotcha. Oh yeah, I do remember you saying you use those charts. I actually looked them up to see kind of what it was about. Correct me if I'm wrong. Those are like, it's time based, or it's not time based. It's based on price moving a certain amount of ticks or points in a direction before it prints a candle. Is that right? Sultan of Swing. I watched a YouTube video on it, a quick video on it to see. Correct. Yeah. I do like the way that they look, though. I mean, it eliminates a lot of the a lot of noise. It's kind of just, a lot of times you can easily see the trend on there on those candles. Yep, that's the word. Clean. Very clean. Very, very clean. Looks like we are gonna respect this area here. This resistance probably bounce down. I'm going to try to learn later today how to set up my OBS. That way I can play some music in the background, some like chill background music, elevator music or something. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure that out today, how I can set that up. I was doing some research on it. It's just a lot more things that you can do. You can add different screens. Find, like, for right now, if we're like how we're waiting, obviously it might take a while for price to break out of this range here between these two zones. We could play some type of game or something, either some chess or GeoGuessr or some type of mental game or something. I don't know. While we're waiting, and then yeah, I think that'll just give us something to do while we're sitting here waiting. I think music will be another big thing. If you guys got any music requests, you could put them in the chat, and then I could play it in the back and expand my music palette as well. I like to listen to different kinds of music, so whatever you guys got, put it in here once I get it started, and then I'll play it in the back for you guys. But yeah, I gotta figure that out. That's a whole different software. Right now I'm just using the YouTube live stream, generic live stream software. There's really not much you can do on here. Like, I can't move my base cam around, or, like I said, play music in the background, or yeah, there's just not much I can do. So yeah, I'm gonna use OBS. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. I already got it downloaded on the computer. I got it set up. I've played with it a little bit, but I want to get comfortable using it and the ins and outs of it before I go live with it. That way I'm not, if anything goes wrong or I'm trying to find something or do something, that way I'm not, trying to figure that out while I'm live on stream. So
I had this big push at just around the just around 6 o'clock. I thought we would get some carry through with it, but we did not as of right now. So I'm thinking about streaming my swing stuff. You definitely should, man. Definitely should. I don't see why not. I mean, doing something that you're already doing, you're just streaming it for other people to see. So yeah, I think you should go for it. It's like tough business. I mean, yeah, I mean, the only thing I would say is it kind of, when you're wrong, it's kind of magnifies it, I guess, a little bit because you're wrong in front of however many people are watching. But I mean, you were going to be wrong regardless. And anybody that truly knows anything about trading, you're going to be wrong. Like, it's just as simple as that. You're not always going to be able to be right 100% of the time. So it's just part of the game. It's just part of the game.
See if we can't get some type of pushback up here and break of that resistance area. Just some type of push, either up or down. I don't care, but anything but this little ranging area would be nice. Have you had a trade today? Yeah, I had this short here. I will review it. Very quick trade. It's probably like 30 seconds. So initially we had this low that was put in. We bounced from it. I had a line here initially. It looked like that. I saw we had a break and close just below it. And we have about 2 to 3 points to the next area where price kind of bounced. It was either here or going to be here. But regardless, if it's here or here, we had about 2 to 3 points of room to the downside. So we took a trade upon the break of this red candle here, and price moved down. It moved down, let's see, almost 1.5 points, but we just took profit at a point. Yeah, so that was the trade. It's $200, but again, we have fees and slippage and stuff, so $200 per account. But yeah, that was the trade today. That was right at the very beginning of the stream, so people probably didn't get to catch that trade, but that was the first trade. Selling a swing. Are you in any swing trades right now on the ES? And if so, How are they looking, and what area of what area are you looking to take profit and close the trade? And if you're not in a trade, are you looking for that to enter at that, or where are you looking to enter? You said no. Let's pull up the ES. Oh, wait. He said, I'm not really swing, I'm sway. I swing day trader. Okay, gotcha. Nope, here is the ES. What are you looking at here? Where are you looking to get in? What's your analysis on the ES today? It's at 340, or at 350 yesterday. We had a break up. I see that here. What you're talking about. I bought there and rode it for 10 points. Nice. At 350, you said? 350. So here, you see you rode it for 10 points. Nice. So you're in the trade for about 10-ish minutes. It's a good little move there. Easy, quick little 10 points. He said 6, 4, 5, 1. You got in right here. Just about. Rode it for 10 points. That's a nice, good little trade there that you had. 10 points. That's good. I wish gold would do something here. It's being slow. Yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna try it. Let's see, what's today? It's Thursday. I'm gonna try. I'll probably try the OBS tomorrow. I definitely want to get that set up. I'll come and work on it this afternoon. Try to get everything set up, get it working, and then I might try it tomorrow. If not tomorrow, definitely Monday. I have the weekend to really hone in on it, but I feel like I should be able to figure it out in one evening. Yeah, I'll work on that today. Hopefully we can have some music in here. Maybe play a game or two while we're waiting. If price is doing basically what it's doing now, I'll play a game or do something, because right now it's not doing anything. Which, I mean, this is a part of trading. You got to be patient. Wait for your setup. I'm not just going to force a setup because I'm on stream. Yes, it seems easy enough. Yeah, the stuff that I looked at, it seemed pretty easy and straightforward. Just getting it set up to where I'm comfortable, to easily switch back and forth between things, and I'm not messing anything up. Like if we're playing a game or something and then all of a sudden, say price shot up, I want to be able to, get back here quickly, show you guys the screen, and then enter our trade or whatever. I don't want to be fooling around with the software trying to be like, oh, I don't know how to, show this, show that. But yeah, it seems pretty easy and simple enough. I'm sure I'll get the hang of it this afternoon, and then we'll try to use it tomorrow or Monday. He said, on my charts for gold, my trade would be the break at 22.45. 22.45. It's at 10.45. Man, I'd like to see gold do something here. We are kind of building a range inside of our range. Like something like that. Might see how this looks depending on the break of this. If we ever get a break of this, we might possibly look at a trade here. I don't trade this time of day by ES. Has my setup with a break at 64.58. You said 64.58. This low here. Okay. But ES, not buy, but ES has my setup with a break. I assume you meant to put but. A break at 64.58. Gotcha. Short. Gotcha. To the bottom of this range again. Kind of bounced. Okay. Getting a little bit of a move here. Oh, it tried. So gold ain't moving. Yeah, I know. It's a little brutal, but it'll break out eventually. Eventually. Just gotta be patient. Now we're kind of pushing out of this range that we made. Two minutes candle close. Looks like we might be flipping right back into the range. We got 1 minute left before this candle closes. Looks like back into the range we go. Yep. How long you been streaming? Excuse me. Probably for about a week, 2 weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks on YouTube. But I had like a Discord group that I was streaming on, and I had been doing that since beginning of the year. But yeah, I've been doing that since the beginning of the year. I would stream on there and then save the streams in the Discord for people to look at and stuff. But I just found it would be a lot easier on YouTube. So yeah, switched over to YouTube. It's just a lot easier and more accessible. So yeah. But yeah, I've been doing it. Doing it probably since beginning of this year, like January, February. It's like we're just gonna stay in this range, huh? It looks that way. Back into this range we go. Well, it is 7:15. We typically go to 8, but I do have somewhere I need to be. So, again, we just had that one trade today. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that bell. That way you'll be notified when I go live again. Go live every day at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 a.m. Central Time. Typically on for 2 hours, or we try to get two good trades, and then we're done. So that is the end of the stream. I'll be back again tomorrow, like I said, 6 a.m. So hope to see you guys. Deuces.